Hey guys, Ashley Peterson here with Promo Realty, and I'm standing inside this adorable, completely updated condo, and the address is 2405 Beasley Court Unit D. Like I said, it's completely updated, beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash. You have a nice big Eden area as well, right outside of the kitchen. Your own private deck, 2 bedrooms on the main level, and the primary suite is huge and it has its own bathroom. Newer carpet, newer tile, newer everything. Downstairs, you have a family room with a third non-conforming bedroom. It does not have a window, but guess what? It has its own bathroom. 1-car garage as well. And it's just a great area, great location, very quiet over here. This one will not last long, so sit back and enjoy the tour.